Hey guys, Candida here, and I absolutely love my reusable sticky notes. I am a person that I always need to write myself a note so I don't forget. I use a lot of sticky notes, and so the fact that these are reusable and I can use them over and over again has been an absolute win for me. I love the fact that they are colorful and they also have their own case. Now when I want to write myself a note, I can just simply use a dry erase marker, and then whenever I'm done and I've completed the task or whatever it is that I've done, I can go in and just simply erase it. Now, when you're ready to stick it, they do have a sticky back, so all you've got to do is just peel the back off and you're able to stick it. You can stick it to your desk, your computer, the wall, the mirror, wherever it is you need to leave yourself a note. And then if it gets dirty, all you've got to do is wash it, run it through the water, and it will be sticky all over again. For me, it has saved me a ton of time and headache always looking for a new sticky note, because now I can just reuse these over and over. I hope you found the review helpful.